Foggyflycom review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. If you're shopping for trendy gadgets or accessories online, Foggyflycom may have caught your eye, but most people get this wrong by assuming all items are the same price or quality. The surprising truth is that Foggyfly's pricing varies based on product category, rarity, and shipping speed. Basic items like phone accessories or small gadgets typically range from premium items such as smart devices or bundles may cost or more. Shipping is usually domestically, with international options costing extra. Returns are allowed within 14-30 days for unopened or defective products, though some sale items may be final. What you get: access to unique or trending gadgets, occasional bundle deals, and seasonal discounts. What you give up: instant luxury or brand name assurance. Quality varies by product. Checking reviews and product details is essential before purchase. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Browse categories to find products that meet your needs. Step 2. Compare prices with competitors to ensure a fair deal. Step 3. Look for promotions, free shipping, or bundle deals. Step 4. Read customer reviews to confirm quality and reliability. You won't believe what happens next if you skip product research. You may receive items that underperform or fail to meet expectations. The surprising truth is that Foggyfly can offer great deals when you pay attention to price, product details, and reviews. In conclusion, Foggyflycom provides a mix of affordable and premium gadgets for savvy shoppers. By understanding pricing, shipping, and product quality, you can confidently shop and get real value for your money.